welcome back everyone. So we can go to the next question. Okay. So kindly listen me. So what is the main thing means they have asked that the detective claimed that he had enough reasons. That means what? A CID maybe going for some criminal case. He is having more reasons and he is proving also the murderer while committing the murder, because you know that some of the wrong persons while killing somebody or killing anything at the time he is having what? Feet. Feet means what? You know that our leg, under the leg, what is that? It is called feet. Okay. So first one, bare means what is the meaning called what? No chapel, or no chapel, or no slippers, or no chapel, or slippers, or any shoe. Okay, these are the reasons for the barefoot. Bear means what? You can bear a very big weight, or bear a weight, or you can write simple weight. Okay, as well as bear means you can take it as a mammal. You know that in the forest there will be a bear is living, is it right? And beer means what? You know, because we don't want that beer because it is an alcoholic drink. Okay, so please don't go there. My advice, okay, as a professor, my advice is don't go to the beer. Okay, you know the beard. Okay, all the that means what? Men. That means male persons. Everybody have the facial. Okay, everybody have the facial hair. Okay, that hair you can call in the form of a beard. Okay, so automatically, because there won't be any such what I say hair with the beard, and there won't be any alcohol he is distributing under the feet, not possible. And there will be no such weight or mammal he is wearing under the feet. So definitely there will be barefoot. That means what? He is not wearing any chappal or slipper during he murdered somebody. Okay, that is the main thing. Okay, thank you all very much.